In this tutorial I will show how to not save but move your project from one computer to another with the project files of Comfen, because it doesn't save in a traditional way files. It saves all the different projects you have inside Comfen. So all these project files is what you find under Open Projects. All these files, it's saved in the same file. So when you want to copy your project Comfen file, then you need to go to this path of Comfen. It can look a little bit different depending on which language you have on your computer, but the project file you'll find under the subfolder of DB, and it's just called Comfen and this file name. So that is one file you need to copy. Another files or files, that is if you have created specific locations and used other weather files than it is installed or in Comfen, then you need to go to weather folder and copy the files. There is 2 files for each location you need to copy. When you open Comfen on another computer and want to use the projects you have done on another computer, then you need to go to Comfen and Preferences and then Database, and here you have the database path. So here you need to browse to the right folder and choose the right file. It doesn't have to be named just Comfen. You could call it whatever you want in a logical name, and then click OK. Second, if you have created another location that is not in Comfen, then you also need to go to the library. For example, Denmark is not a standard location file. So I need to specify again the location of the weather file, because it doesn't remember it. It only remembers the default locations. So I have to browse to this location of the weather file, as you do when you create a new location, and then save. And when you have done that, then it should be possible to see the different project you have done earlier on another computer. For example, by going to Project and open the projects you have been working on another machine. That was a tutorial on how to move and copy your project from one computer to another and then open it up on a different computer using the project you have done earlier.